Welcome to Bimbo Adeoye TV. Please, if you're watching this channel for the very first time, please subscribe to this channel to watch more of our latest reviews on movies that are dropping and on movies that are yet to come out as well. This is Iyawo Alhaji. What really went down in Iyawo Alhaji? This woman here, Mobimpe. She really played the role perfectly well. She was just lying all around like the movie Alakada by Toyin Imaku. Same way this lady have been lying all around, but this lie now is super extraordinary lie. You need to watch this movie to see how Mobimpe enter into the character, give us the latest vibe in town. You need to be here at all time for you to know more about the movies that are yet to come out and that are out already. So please, for you to be here, for you to feel what we are doing, for you to see what we are doing at all time, and for you to benefit from it, please subscribe to this channel, Bimbo Adeoye TV. We'll be giving you a lot of reviews every time, every day, every night, every evening, every moment, every afternoon. We are not sleeping because of you. No dolly moment. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.